actually a stern drive engine, and it's used to, it's called an exhaust bellows. So this has to be compounded to withstand high temperatures and oily exhaust from the marine engine. The geometry is very, very complex in that we have convolutions on the outside of the part and then convolutions on the inside of the part that lock it onto the core, as well as 4 breather holes, if you will, that are molded in, and we have to inflate this part and pull it off the core. It's quite challenging, but we developed a system that does it really well.